Good morning, YouTube friends. Today I'm going to plant the ginger rhizomes and transplant this ginger plant. I'm using milk crate, lining it with landscape fabric. Ginger plants thrive in fertile, loamy, and well-draining soil. They don't like saggy soil, but just moist. They prefer the morning sun and shade in the afternoon, or bright, indirect sunlight. If you want to plant ginger, buy the organic rhizomes. If you want to buy them from the grocery stores, choose the ones with buds on them. Like this one. See those greenish stuff? Usually, the rhizomes from the grocery stores were sprayed with chemicals that inhibit growth or budding. If you're going to plant the rhizomes without the buds, maybe it would take a month for them to bud. And I'm also going to use this pot for the bigger rhizome. I'm going to use non-burning fertilizer, then plant the ginger rhizome shallow at first. Just enough to cover. Water once the leafless rhizome, then water again when you see new shoots appear. The roots are looking beautiful. So fertilizer at the bottom. You see those young rhizomes? They are tender. So you need to cover them or heal the plant like the potato, so that they will become bigger and maybe form more rhizomes. Water regularly. Do not overwater. I check the soil moisture level by sticking my finger an inch deep into the soil. See, the soil is wet, sticking to my forefinger. Gingerol, the spicy and nutritious compound found in the root and highly concentrated in its raw form. Ginger is used in making marinades and salad dressings, and also used in cooking stir fries, soups, and in baking. Benefits of using ginger: used for better digestion, colds, arthritis, migraines, and hypertension. I use ginger when I have sore throat and cold. Do not overuse ginger. Consult your doctor if you are taking medicine. Kindly hit the subscribe button. That would make me happy. You may like and share my videos. Have a nice week.